I see Amy and the handsome guy both laughing and having a great time. Instantly, I feel uncomfortable at the sight. As I get closer, the uneasy feeling gets stronger. Hey, Amy. I try to sound cheerful.
Ron, this is Jake. He's my coworker at the law office, and he decided to sign up at this gym. Jake, this is Ron.
Hey there, buddy. Amy's told me a lot about you.
He shakes my hand, his grip so strong, it's almost painful. Hey, Jake. Nice to meet you. I say, my mind racing with questions. Does this guy have romantic interest in Amy? How close are they? Is he going to be here every time we work out? As these thoughts are in my mind, Jake suggests,
Hey, I've got a great idea. Why don't we work out together? Amy and I finished one set of bench press, so Ron, it's your turn, buddy. I'll help you. How much do you usually bench press?
I say, I can't bench press much.
Don't worry about that, Ron. It's not a competition. Just tell me, and I'll prepare the weight.
I lift about 30 kilograms.
Did you say 30?
Yeah.
Ron, my man, you need to work out more.
Jake, don't make fun of Ron like that. I think it's fine that he can lift 30 kilograms.
Ron, dude, you need to bench press at least 50 kilograms to be an average strength man.
Well, he's not an average man. He's a very special man to me.
Jake looks a little hurt and says,
Yeah, okay. I bet he is. You know what? Look at the time. I need to get dressed and go save the world.
Jake leaves the gym in a hurry.
Ron, sorry about that. Jake is always that way.
I don't mind. I guess he's right. Maybe I should be able to lift a little bit more.
You don't need to be someone you're not, Ron. I like you just the way you are.
Wow, you're really nice to me today. She blushes and she continues.
You know what? I think you should be able to lift a little more. I mean, what if I want to be carried like a princess?
That means I really need to get stronger, huh? Because you're definitely over 30 kilograms.
How dare you? Hey, I was nice to you today. You'd better treat me to coffee today. And I want a muffin on the side.
Ooh, a muffin too. I'll need to work out harder to carry you.
Oh, be quiet, Ron. Let's start working out.
So today turned out to be a good day for both of us. We did our usual workout and went to our favorite cafe as usual. I still wonder where our relationship is headed, but I'm starting to have a good feeling about it.
5-question vocabulary quiz. Question 1. You have 5 seconds to fill in the blank. Answer 1. As I get closer, the uneasy feeling gets stronger. Uneasy. feeling of discomfort, worry, or nervousness. Question 2. You have 5 seconds. Answer 2. Don't make fun of Ron like that. Make fun of. To joke or laugh about someone. Question 3. You have 5 seconds. Answer 3. He's not an average man. He's a very special man to me. Average. Something that is usual or typical, or not special in any way. Question 4. You have 5 seconds. Answer 4. She felt her cheeks blush. Blush. Become red in the face. Question 5. You have 5 seconds. Answer 5. How dare you? How dare you? A way to tell someone you are really upset or shocked by what they did or said. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and push that like button if you like our content.